feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God will.
Real quick, guys, today I am going to share with you guys this powerful strategy that you're seeing right now on my screen. And just to cut the whole story short, this particular strategy that you are looking at right now on my screen is strictly for trading on volatility 75 index and volatility 75 1s index, guys. All right, so do not try to use this strategy on boom and crash, and do not try to use it in any other pair. This is strictly for trading of boom and for trading of volatility 75 index. Sorry. All right, so where this particular strategy is going to perform wonders for you is if you have watched the previous video that I titled how the strategy that changed my life or changed the way I trade volatility 75 index, the previous video that I uploaded, if you have not watched that video, pause this video and watch that particular one, and after watching it you come back to this particular video, you'll be able to understand why I say so. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to share with you guys this powerful strategy that you're looking at right now for trading of volatility 75 index, guys. Now when you look at this here, this is this particular yellow line that you're seeing here is our ATR, guys. All right, average to range. All right, so now this particular one is our 21 moving average. Right, 21 exponential moving average. So now I am going to share the settings with you guys so that you'll be able to understand what I'm explaining to you guys here in this video. So the first thing, you are going to click on this F icon here. If you are new, click on this F icon here. Will be directed to where you are going to impute this. All right, so now the first indicator that you are going to add is this stochastic oscillator, guys. Once you click on this stochastic oscillator, allow the settings to be this way. All right, set your screen this way. Then this is the most important place here, and here again, this main level and signal level, it must be a background color. All right, so now this particular level, this is where you're going to add the level. You click on that pencil icon there, you are going to add the level as 8, 9 and 11, and after adding it, you click turn. Then you go back to that same F icon again, then you add this particular average through range. All right, you click on this indicator window 1 here. That is when you are going to add that. Once you click on separate indicator, is going to add it on a separate window. Just click on indicator window 1, you add these things that you are seeing, these settings that you are seeing right now on my screen. Take screenshot of it if you cannot cope up with the, probably I am rushing this video, then take screenshot of what you are seeing right now and set your screen this way. After setting it up, you click turn. All right, so now you go back to the F icon again, you add this particular one on our main chart. All right, so you are going to click on this particular main chart here, you add this moving average. All right, so you click on the moving average. This is period 21, then exponential moving average. You use the color of your choice, you click turn. That is the strategy, that is the simple indicators that we combine together to achieve this powerful strategy. All right, so now basically this ATR is a trend indicator. You can do your own research and give it your own interpretation, but ATR is a trend indicator. So now why we are using this indicator is, first and first, before you start applying all the requirements that we are going to mention here, first and first you have to go to your higher time frame, which is our 4-hour time frame that we normally start our analysis. H4, you go to your H4. Once you go to your H4, you check if this particular volatility 75 index is buying or is selling. All right, it's as simple as that. First and first, you go to your 4-hour time frame after imputing all these our indicators that form this strategy. Then the next thing that you are going to do is for you to go to your 4-hour time frame just to check the trend of the particular pair that you are trading, which is volatility 75 index. You check for the trend, if it is bullish or it's bearish. Then if it is bullish, then you come to your 1-hour time frame just to reconfirm what you have seen on 4-hour time frame. Since we are a day traders, we are not swing traders, we are a day trader. Then if we are day traders, we just have to follow the rules. All right, so you will always be using 4-hour time frame to detect the trend of the pair that you are trading. Then secondly, you go to your H1 and reconfirm what you saw on the 4-hour time frame, then you come down to your 5-minute time frame to pick your sniper entry. All right, so now with this particular strategy, after you might have analyzed all those things, cross-check all those time frame, and you're about to take your trade, this is the requirement for this strategy. Look at this here, and then look at the level that we have here. We have 11 level and 89 level. All right, so now when you look at this, our average true range here, you will see that as soon as this average true range, if you are this kind of person that do follow if you do follow volatility 75 index chart very well, you will understand that the most powerful time for you to open any position on volatility 75 index is whenever you spot something like M. All right, whenever you spot M on the chart, if you spot the first leg of M and allow the neck to form, and at the formation of the second leg, that is the most powerful time, or most powerful specific time for you to open a position towards buy. But if you spot it on M level, that is the most powerful time for you to take a sniper entry on sell level. So now when you look at this, our average true range here, you will see that this is an M formation there at the level of 11 here. All right, look at the W formation here. All right, look at the W formation. As soon as this W formation completes, you'll be able to spot this that I'm talking about up here, and the price action is above this our moving average, exponential moving average 21, which I normally say that when you are using exponential moving average 21 on your main chart, it simply serves as support and resistance. Whenever the price is above it, it means the price is buying, or the pair is buying. Whenever the price is below it, it means the pair is selling. It's as simple as that. But you just need to have another backup strategy, another backup indicator that will help you reconfirm that what you are seeing is pure and true. So that is how it is. So whenever you spot something like this, and before all these things that I'm saying, be sure not to be moving your chart from one direction to the another, all in the name of you are looking for signal. You just have to allow your chart sit at the default zone that you made the chart as soon as you open your MetaTrader 5. All right, so it's as simple as that. So now once you spot this, look at this here. As soon as this completion happened, what happened? You see this, the price is above, then you pick your trade, guys. If you cannot allow that trade to run, because that is the reason most of you are not making money, you will see your winning trade and you will jump and close that trade because you are afraid of losing your money. All right, so that is where sometimes I'll be talking about you enrolling yourself on a mentorship program. It is not necessarily that you must roll with me. All right, it is not a must that you have to roll with me. You can enroll yourself on a mentorship program somewhere else, but just have the knowledge, have the basic knowledge of how to trade all these pairs. All right, so now once you open this position, what you're going to do is this. If you have a small equity, you can exit the market once you see that the market has given you enough or a reasonable amount of profit. You close your market, or you wait for the market to get to, probably if we happen to impute 50 level at this particular place, this is where it's going to be. Then once the market moves from this level 11 here to this middle of this our indicator window 1, you are going to exit the market if you have a small equity. But if you have a reasonable amount of money in your account, you can be trailing your profits. All right, so if the market moves from this place to this place, probably the market has moved from probably 0 to 50 to 100 points, you adjust your stop loss to this zone, and by so doing you have trapped a lot of profit at the back. And if the market keeps going up, you'll be trailing your profits. All right, if anything happens that the market bounce back, pulls back to this zone, it will take you out of the trade, and you have already banked a profit behind. It's as simple as that. And you that have some small account size, you can be doing this as well. But to be on a safer side, try as much as possible to close position as soon as it gives you a reasonable amount of profit. And also, once you spot that this particular average true range has started going up, this is a trend indicator. It will be going up that way until probably anything bridges it, and when you can see this, it curves or it returns back to this side as soon as, with all the whole movement this way, because market cannot just move this direct straight to anywhere. It will be moving this way, zigzag level. So as soon as it gets to this our 89 level, that is when it reverses at this level and start coming back down, to show you that this is a trend indicator, guys. So now when you look at this reverse at this zone, look at this here. All right, look at this here. All right, that is it. So now it does not end there. All right, it does not end there. Look at the time frame that we are using here, and when you look at this particular thing here that happened here, had it been you open a position somewhere here and pick this is just a quick short here for you, and this is a big money as well, because this is 1 hour time frame and this is volatility 75 index. Is very volatile. The pair is very volatile, so you have made a lot of money there. All right, so now when you push this, you see how long this trend went. All right, that is as simple as that, because if you have detected this on higher time frame, you'll be able to know and have the confidence to allow your winning trade to run. That was what I said at the initial time of this video. So when it comes to probably look at the current market here, all right, look at this here. You see this and you see this here. Now look at this our price, this our moving average here. You will see that this particular place here, this particular average true range has gotten to this 89 level, and look at where the market is. Then you don't need to jump into the market, because this has gotten to this place. Allow the price to close below this our exponential moving average. I normally say this every now and then. So once the price closes below this our exponential moving average, now this is a pullback happening right now. If I should clear this, look at it. All right, you can see this particular current candle retracing. That is a pullback. Once you go to lower time frame, you see that it is a pullback, and it will have a stage that it will pull to, then it will continue the downward movement. It's as simple as that, guys. So that is how powerful this ATR works with our moving average 21. So if you are getting value from this, do not forget to smash that like button. It's very important that others that are searching for valuable content like this will be able to locate this video as well. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. It's very important for the channel to grow as well. And also, if you want me to mentor you on how to trade all these pairs, guys, do not forget to use the number in the description of this video to let me know that you want me to mentor you on how to trade all these synthetic indices and other pairs, and I will definitely be glad to guide you on how to do this. And also, I'm going to leave link to my books in the description of this video as well. Do yourself that favor to grab a copy of those books and go through it. It will also help you to learn how to trade profitably and successfully. That's how it is, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.